Alright, so here at the airport in Paris, France, and the last flight was good, but a little bit rough because I had that crying baby right next to me. And also, we jumped forward 6 time zones, and the flight was about 6 hours, so it's basically a 12-hour jump. And I had to sleep on that because now it's tomorrow here, and I slept like maybe an hour or two. So I have my connecting flight, which is another hour, and I will try my best to sleep on there because when I hit Spain, I gotta hit the ground running. So it's been a couple years since I've been here in Bilbao rather. You see Puppy behind me, the big flower dog statue. If you haven't checked it out already, I have a blog that I used to keep when I lived here in Spain, and I came here to visit Bilbao to visit some friends, and yeah, we came to this museum. So check that blog out if you're interested more about the Guggenheim Museum.
Suscribiros.
So it seems tourism here in Bilbao is doing well. Lots of people, everybody's got masks on. It's been so long since I've been just like walking through like old towns of cities and stuff. I haven't been to Europe in a long time, so this is really cool to just kind of come back and feel like I'm reliving my time here. Yeah, so I need to go check into my hotel. I might take a nap because I'm tired. I've been walking around droning all day. I haven't slept much, but yeah, let's do that. So cool to be back in Europe again, walking through these small towns, the small city centers, the old towns. You know, just seeing all the tours here, all the churches that I'm not walking into because I've seen a billion of them already. And then of course here in Spain, seeing all the Pintxos and the food, it looks so good. Yeah, it just feels good to be back here in Europe, and I'm really enjoying my time. One of the things I always loved about traveling in Spain is that it's really easy to buy food from the grocery store that's delicious and super cheap. Let's see what I got for 10 euros. I was able to take a quick nap. I needed it. Now I'm back out. Let's see Bilbao a little bit by night. Check out some Pintxos and just see what they're doing here in the city in the evening, nighttime. And one thing that I remember about living in Spain is that don't nobody start eating dinner till like 10 o'clock anyway. And it's like 6:30 or 7, so it's still like the end of lunchtime. Dinner hasn't even started yet. So let's go see what dinner's like. Alright, so I'm out here having a good time, and I need to buy a SIM card for my phone, and I bought one, but in the store for whatever reason my camera fell off the counter. This camera that I'm holding now, like off the high counter. Yeah, but obviously it's working still, thankfully. And then, right at the same exact time, my bottle of juice decided to explode in my bag with my drone and my remote and all that. And I'm walking down the street and I'm filming, and this guy walks up to me and he starts speaking to me in French. But I had just spoken Spanish in the store for a while, and it took me a while to adjust to Spanish and could not adjust back to French. Hola. Oh, I got some people. ¿Quieres estar? Hola. ¿Quieres decir mis seguidores algo?
Suscribiros y darle
Muy bien. It's always nice to make new fans as you're walking. Actually, I was walking down the street and I heard this lady on the phone speaking in Chinese, and I understood like maybe half of her conversation. So yeah, I'm polyglotting it, even though I'm confusing all the languages and I can't respond to nobody. I understand what they're saying though, so baby steps, right? When I lived here in Spain, we have these stores called chinos, and usually run by Chinese people. And there's basically just, they have everything. It's like a little small Walmart, like a friendly neighborhood Walmart store. And they have everything that you need. And yeah, now I can actually read the name of the stores. Okay, so to all you drone pilots out there, make sure you have line of sight on your drone, because I almost lost my drone here in the Casco Viejo in the old city, because I did not have line of sight and it needed emergency land. And then I found it by the grace of God, because I had no idea where it was. The GPS wasn't working, but I did see a big crowd of people like standing around something, and I was like, okay, that must be the drone. Everybody's like, what in the world is that? So keep line of sight on your drone. This dude gonna pee right next to me. He drunk already. He peeing outside next to me. Hola. Ni hao. Was he Chinese?